CCTV Lone Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors Halatgor ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish Ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Ke Sorkar Jilna hakashitrik ubnaya yong arajar arpuar kala Sdang Jingïathir yawo halor ke Jingïakren Ïasuk jong ke sengking atiar Hnlc National Liberation Council hakani ke Jingïalang bala penyai do menteri rangba ke Jilna Konrad kongkal sangma ledon langru sembut menteri rangba uba preston tensong menteri ketenat ki kampo ying uba lakmen remboi uksiang bala thung de ke Sorkar uba Peter Sdang ke chief secretary jong ke Jilna ke kong Rebecca V Suchiang bat kiwai de ki he officer ke Sorkar haga Jingïakren bat kilat pathai khubor menteri rangba ula ong ba kani ke Jingïalang ke balalong haga ni ke sngi kadang dai tang ke jing Sdang banya pleu jengmon hanrai ula kentat pat banya tho banya halor ke Jingïakren hapo kani ke Jingïalang.
It's a normal process, as I said, and the process has to continue. So I've been very clear from day one that every meeting does not have a conclusion or does not have any news. It's just a process. But the most important part is the government is committed to move things forward. And that's the reason we are ensuring that continuous communication is taking place. At this point in time, there is limited information that I can share. But as you can see, we are continuously pushing this to ensure that we can reach the logical conclusion. So from my side, now all the processes and discussions are to the interlocutor now. It'll go on. It may happen in the weeks, maybe days. So it's a process, as I said. It's difficult to give any kind of a update to you. It's not correct. It's a process. So you have to give it time. You have to allow the system to work. You have to understand that there is things that cannot be shared. I understand that you would like to know, but it could jeopardize the entire discussion and process. So one has to respect the process and the entire mechanism in which it's done. So therefore, I would have loved to share more information, but as I said, in the interest of the solution and in the interest of the process to move forward, we can't share everything. But what is important for the people, the state, and all of you to know is that the government is committed, and we are ensuring that we continue to put pressure and to monitor the progress of the work. There is a process, so it's difficult to say right now. So process will continue. We hope that we'll be able to move things at a faster pace. So that's what our objective is right now. Okay. As I said, it is with Chief Secretary right now. As soon as I got it in Delhi, I've sent it to Chief Secretary. We will be sharing, they'll be going through it, and the presentation will be given to us. And once that is done, to us means the cabinet. And once that is done, then we'll take a decision on how to move forward. I cannot comment on that right now because I have not seen the reports, and neither don't have information on that. But from the government side, obviously every step that has to be taken to ensure that this menace is brought under control, obviously government will do whatever is necessary. More to do with the entire peace process, so we are confining our discussions.
Kajingïalang gadon, nakabanta kajing bitjimpiang ke state, tang bangang ko akan komen elor beyond that. Baro artli, baro ke Sorkar bat ke ni kiseng ke kuat ya kajing Ïasuk, ke kuat ban poi sa kathong jang kajing Ïasuk, dengan kermen scam ba hakini kisngi ngam la ban spesial ko mang pina do nong kong ba ngim ka ban ron komentari ya ke ba ngila ban le. Kermen scam ba.